By year 2033, the manufacturing industry will need 3.8 million additional workers. That's according to the National Association of Manufacturers. Here at A.H. Parker High School, the institution is grooming some of its scholars to fill those jobs through its newly formed Modern Manufacturing Program. Jonathan Hackett is the program's instructor.
Most of them will probably get jobs dealing with working on cars. Some may work production, assembly. Some may work as a maintenance or an industrial maintenance engineer.
Parker's Modern Manufacturing Program has 3 course levels, starting with the basics. Both Marley Allen and Yari Crawford are new to the program.
We're basically going over the safety stuff so we won't get hurt or anything like that, and the steel-toe shoes and just safety procedures.
Right now, we're learning about internet safety and how technology plays a part in manufacturing.
Tell me why you decided to enroll in this course.
As a senior, I'm undecided of what I want to attend college for real, what I want to major in, and I just want to open my options up.
Xavier Cole is in year 2 of Parker's Modern Manufacturing Program.
We're learning how to do the motor, how to build objects. Right now we're working on a Lego set. We're actually building, doing it, collaborating, and we're basically bringing it to effect on what we learned in year 1.
Why did you choose to go into manufacturing?
I chose to go in manufacturing because of my passion for cars. I was looking at other trades on things, but manufacturing was the one that stuck out to me.
Another cool thing about being in this program is that the students can learn outside of the classroom while on field trips.
When we went to Honda, they showed us around the whole plant on how the engines are made, from the iron, the steel, to all the way how the car is put together, and showed the process of how it actually, or what it takes to build a Honda car. So the field trip, it was very important and knowledgeable, and I really enjoyed it, and I hope to be there again.
The scholars who participate in this class have an opportunity to earn industry standard credentials.
So the students will get credential in OSHA 10, which is an industry credential. They'll also get a ACE credential, but they have to make a 4 in the work keys. They'll also get several what we call stackable. They can get them in production, then get in maintenance, also get electrical as well.
Allowing our scholars to be at an advantage once they graduate high school and get a job in the manufacturing arena.
With the credential, it actually gives them what's called a step ahead of those who are not credentialed come out of the workforce. We have some high school students right now who are probably making about $60,000 to $75,000 right in high school, which is very good for most people coming out of high school, 16, 17-year-olds.
And students can apply for internships while in high school. Xavier is hoping to land an internship with Mercedes. I'm Fred Davenport, BCS Media.